Looking for an effective way to treat stubborn warts, verrucas, corns, or calluses? Before using Salactol Collodion, there are a few important things you should know. Stay with us until the end. Hello and welcome to Medzy Health. Today we're talking about Salactol Collodion, a topical wart paint formulated with salicylic acid 15.7% and lactic acid 15.7% to help break down and remove affected skin tissues. What is Salactol Collodion? Salactol Collodion is a liquid treatment that combines salicylic acid and lactic acid in a collodion base. It works by softening and breaking down the thick outer layers of skin that make up warts, verrucas, corns, and calluses, while also helping kill the virus responsible for warts. What is Salactol Collodion used for? It is specifically designed for the topical treatment of warts, verrucas, which appear on the soles of the feet, corns, and hardened calluses. By gradually dissolving the tough, keratinized skin, it allows the unhealthy skin tissue to peel away over time, encouraging healthy skin to form underneath. How should you use it? Soak the affected area in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes, then dry thoroughly with your own towel. Carefully file down the surface of the warts or corn using a pumice stone or emery board. Using the applicator brush provided, apply a thin layer of Salactol Collodion directly onto the wart, verruca, corn, or callus. Avoid touching the surrounding healthy skin. Allow it to dry completely to form a clear protective film. Apply once daily, usually in the evening, until the condition clears. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include mild stinging or burning sensation upon application, temporary skin redness around the treated area, and flaking or peeling of the skin. If severe skin irritation, redness, or pain spreads to surrounding healthy skin, stop using the product and consult your doctor or pharmacist. Important precautions. Do not use Salactol Collodion on your face, neck, anal region, genitals, or on birthmarks, moles, or hairy warts. Do not apply to broken, inflamed, or infected skin. If you have diabetes or poor blood circulation in your hands or feet, speak to your doctor before using this product. Keep it away from open flames, as the solution is highly flammable. Salactol Collodion provides a simple and targeted solution for clearing stubborn warts, verrucas, corns, and calluses when used regularly and correctly. Always read the package leaflet carefully and follow the directions for safe use. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Medzy Health, and turn on notifications for more simple medicine information. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace advice from your doctor or pharmacist. Always follow the instructions on your medicine and speak with a healthcare professional if you have questions about your treatment.